Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to this well-designed home that has more than 5,000 square feet of floor space, or one that can help your purse by a smart and convenient separation of the floors to create two full living units, giving you an income earner. The rooms are spacious and grand without being too difficult to maintain. The living spaces are generous and open while offering nooks to curl up and to get cozy. The land stretches up the hill with mature trees and stunning views. I have always enjoyed the breeze that plays with this area, dancing around the home, both day and night. The structure is partially complete, with the ground floor fully occupied and the upper floor fully prepared to receive. The land size is 0.85 acre. The house is only 10 minutes away from the foot of the hill, yet seems like worlds away from the hustle and bustle. Call today to set up your viewing to make this retreat home yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 75 million or US $487.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.